Hello. Welcome to Aaj Ka AQI News Laundry Show, where we aim to fix accountability for Delhi's air pollution crisis. Today, my producer Prashant Kumar and I are outside the residence of Annapurna Devi, India's Minister of Women and Child Development. But before we talk about the impact of air pollution on the health of women and children, let's check the quality of air here. Our monitor shows that the level of PM 2.5 is crossing 280 and the PM10 level is 330, and according to the WHO the PM 2.5 should be in the range of 5 and PM10 should be around like 15, and it shows that the air pollution level is dangerous. We also checked the AQI at the government's nearest air quality monitoring station, and it's in Mandir Marg by DPCC, and the AQI there is 388. And in some parts of Delhi like Okhla or Nehru Nagar, the AQI is even crossing 400, and today is one of the worst air Delhi is witnessing in 2025 so far. The Ministry of Health says that pregnant women and children are more vulnerable to air pollution, and therefore they must be protected from both outdoor and indoor air pollution. The air pollutants can impact a child even before the child is born by making its way into the fetus blood through placenta and impacting their growth in the uterus. The continuous presence of air pollution can impact the fetus so much that it can lead to a preterm birth. This increases the chances of stillbirth or damaged lungs or low birth weight or even death shortly after the baby is born. The air pollution can also harm the brain development of a child, and it makes them hard for them to concentrate or achieve their full learning potential later. We searched what steps Annapurna Devi has taken to curb air pollution in India, and we could not find any. This is highly unacceptable because air pollution is an existential crisis, and therefore News Laundry is running a year-long campaign, Fight to Breathe or Hawa Ka Haq. In this campaign, we'll bring you ground reports, expert interviews and shows like Aaj Ka AQI to spread more awareness about India's bad air pollution. You can become a part of this campaign too by scanning this QR code flashing on your screens.